weather on NBC 10 Boston, Boston's most accurate forecast.
All right, a busy afternoon for our team of First Alert meteorologists. Sydney Welch joining us tonight. Sydney, hopefully the evening hours will be a little less stressful for you.
Yeah, it is. You know, already we're seeing that calming out there. Not many areas of rain even left on the radar. We do have one area of rain with some lightning from Portsmouth to Manchester, where we're seeing that rain. It's likely going to try to make its way towards the North Shore within the next couple of hours. It likely also will be breaking apart as it does so. Drying out, though, through the remainder of the evening, many of us losing clouds. We're starting with mostly cloudy skies right now, and by the time that we go into the early morning hours tomorrow, we're going to start seeing that clearing begin. The overnight low temperatures are going to be in the low 60s, 63 for Boston, upper 50s for areas like Norwood and Taunton. So further inland, you're likely going to wake up to temperatures in the upper 50s and low 60s, with them rising quickly through the day tomorrow. So the rest of our evening, we're going to see rain chances diminishing basically to nothing by the time that you're waking up tomorrow morning. And tomorrow, a mainly dry day that we will have ahead. So tomorrow, lots of sunshine in the forecast for our Tuesday. Temperatures will be making their way to the middle 70s by noon, and then upper 70s as we go into the early afternoon. So around 77, 78 degrees right along the coast, and then areas more inland are going to see those temperatures a little bit on the warmer side. So as far as Wednesday goes, we do have a chance for rain in the early morning hours between around 8 o'clock and 10 o'clock in the morning. And then we see a few thunderstorms possible once we get into the afternoon. Coverage is not going to be as intense as what we saw this afternoon, but we will see a few areas of thunderstorms coming into the picture 3, 4, 5 o'clock, and then they will be diminishing as the sun goes down, a lot like what we saw today. Those rain chances stick around for Wednesday, but by Thursday, we're drying out, lower humidity, and much lower temperatures. So Wednesday temperatures are going to jump middle and upper 80s, and then we're below normal through the rest of the week, getting closer to that normal by the time that we head into Sunday of our Labor Day weekend, trying to push 80 degrees for parts of Labor Day weekend. So as far as tomorrow goes, temperatures at 79 in Boston, 83 further inland. So most of us are going to be in the upper 70s, low to middle 80s further inland. Along the Cape, 75 degrees. Sunshine will be around for tomorrow. And then Wednesday, with those rain chances returning, temperatures in the middle and upper 80s across the board as well. So Wednesday, we do see that warming coming our way, and then those temperatures drop off into Thursday, barely making it to 70 degrees for high temperatures on Thursday. The weekend, a little bit unsettled for your Labor Day weekend, a 30% rain chance on Saturday and a 40% chance of rain on Sunday. That doesn't mean it's going to rain at all times, but we are going to be tracking the sunshine for your weekend and also those rain chances as it does come closer. On the other side of the weekend, lots of low 70s in the forecast. We're seeing those normals dropping. Right now, the normal high temperature is at 79 degrees, but we're going to see that going down quickly as fall is coming closer and closer.
All right. Thank you very much, Sydney.